I am Dr. N. Srikanth, Deputy Director General, working in Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. And regarding today's issue, the issue is mainly the integrative medicine in healthcare. It's a very important issue in the current scenario. The Ministry of Ayush actually, which is also focusing on at policy level various issues related to integration and mainstreaming of the Ayush systems of medicine into the healthcare delivery. And there are several models of integration which are available in the world, out of which India has a very good policy of integration, which is parallel types of integration, where conventional systems of medicine and Ayush and Ayurveda systems of medicine run parallelly, and they are integrated in a different way. But the very good examples at policy level, the integrative healthcare was emphasized since 2000. The National Health Policy 2000, National Population Policy 2002, and National Health Policy even 2017, the current policy. And the reports, several reports are there, and reports of the macroeconomics and health. These stated, they emphasized at policy level that the traditional system of medicine are to be integrated with the conventional system to deliver the healthcare, better healthcare, where certain limitations of the conventional systems are available. But the first ever model, which is very successful at government level, is introduction of the integrative health centers, particularly in primary health level, under a national rural health mission. And there was a functional integration, the physical integration was started. In allopathic setups, Ayurvedic hospital, Ayurveda yoga hospitals were set up, creating a good model and creating the integrative delivery. But according to the global scenario, the integrative medicine should be a comprehensive one, which we should take care of all aspects of the body, mind, and of the human being, and it should be a tailor-made wellness design to a particular patient generally. But the current definitions of integrative healthcare is combination of the conventional mainstream system with traditional systems like Ayurveda, but where the evidence is required. In this direction, several research studies were taken, particularly 2-3 examples can be taken as set as a model for delivering the integrative healthcare. A study which is conducted, supported by World Health Organization in tertiary healthcare hospital, has revealed that the patients of osteoarthritis, when they were given an integrative treatment of Ayurveda combined with allopathy, the reduction of the analgesic burden to the patients were greatly reduced, and there was improvement of the quality of life. This is well reported in high impact journals. The another model is introduction of the reproductive child healthcare services in primary healthcare level through Ayurveda. The feasibility studies were conducted more than 50 primary health centers in Himachal Pradesh, where from the beginning of the conception till the delivery and postnatal care, the pregnants were given Ayurveda regimen along with the allopathy, where after the results revealed that there was a great reduction in the complications of the pregnancy and improvement of the health of the pregnant and prevention of anemia in pregnancy, and increasing the birth weight of the children, and postnatal complications were greatly reduced. These are the some models where really integrative healthcare is really suitable in the healthcare system. Another thing is cancer quality of life. Cancer quality of life, if we add Ayurveda treatment to the cancer therapies, there were great reduction in the complications of the anti-cancer therapy and improvement of the quality of life, and which actually also improved the life expectancy of the cancer patient who received Ayush therapies.